Hey guys, welcome to Progreso Beach, where I am going to give you a tour of this fabulous 4 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom villa right on the beach. Look at the view that you get. It has its own swimming pool and you walk right out to the beach there. It was such fabulosity that I had to capture it on video. So one of the lovely young ladies that I've met here, her name is Tiffany. She was hosting a party for her little 5-year-old princess at the villa. But get into this door. Do you see the size of that door? Like, you need some serious muscle to open that door. The party had an Encanto theme and I absolutely thought it was so cute. There was a whole nail station set up outside. There was a cotton candy going. It was a vibe. It was definitely a vibe. But let's get into this house tour with my friend LaShawn. There she is. She's also gonna do a tour on her channel and she was getting all the angles. So you probably want to skip on over to her channel to get a tour. I will leave that link and the link for the villa itself in the description below as well. So we're upstairs wondering where to start. It does have one master bedroom on the ground floor. We didn't go into that. It was kind of sealed off. So we left it alone. We tried to peek into this room, but someone was in there. So we moved on and then soon enough, they came out so we could actually get a peek. But look at this little den area right here where you can relax and watch television. That's kind of cool without having to go downstairs. And then, okay, they're out the room, so let's go in there and check it out. This room, all rooms, has its own bathroom. So here is the bathroom area, nice and bright. I love a bathroom with a huge window. Thank you. Need ventilation, especially in these humid Merida streets. And then this bed, I like that it had closed-in closets. That is also a luxury to find. I find in some of these homes. It had this nice woodwork. I like that it had 2 twin beds instead of 2 single beds as well. So you can see that this room is nice and big. And then it had a nice little area there looking out over the garage area, which the garage area was also full of sand. I love this villa so far. So this is the master that is on the 2nd floor. And it has this little seating area right here where if, this was my villa, then this would probably be my office. We get in here, we open these doors, and we actually go into the master bedroom area. And it has a view to die for, okay, to live for. And this balcony, I could just see myself, like maybe my office would need to be out here. I could really see myself just living out on that balcony with that view overlooking the pool area and then of course the beach outside. Okay, let's see what this bathroom is like. So it's kind of divided. So you have the vanity area with his and her sinks, and then the closet is actually in the bathroom as well. Over on the shower side was the only disappointment for me. I still kind of want a bigger shower area if this is going to be my master, but I do like that it had a view. I like that it had this nice big window here. I love a shower with a view. And I like that it had, the toilet and the urinal situation set up. I could use a bidet too, but I guess that's something that I could always install. So this master bedroom was definitely a vibe when it comes to the balcony and the view. It's definitely a great party house. I can definitely see this being a spot for like a girls' night or a bachelorette party or something. It's definitely giving that. That's what it's giving. Do you like it? Is this somewhere you would live, or is this something that you would grab on Airbnb for a little beach time? Let me know in the comments below. But let's go enjoy the rest of this party. So I'm gonna just allow you to enjoy the views while we get some cotton candy and enjoy ourselves on the beach. Well, thank you. What you know about No Se Habla de Bruno? So, of course, there was entertainment for the kiddies, and then there was entertainment for the grown folk, and I don't know what I'm doing right here. They threw me an Usher song somewhere around the end, near the beat break, and I just had to kind of freestyle, you know, just trying to entertain the crowd. That's what I do, right? There you go. There you go. But can we talk about why it's cold at the beach? Do you see my whole outfit change? I am in leggings and a sweater. Like, come on now, Merritt. I thought it was hot. But this party was so much fun, and this house made everything so much fun. So if you like this, make sure to click like, subscribe to the channel for more Mexico Merida content, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. I am Mo, the Traveling Jamaican.